Welcome to iMovie video tutorial number 10. In this video we're going to talk about clip filters and audio effects. The clip filters tool is located right up here above the viewer, and it's these three little circles right here. So if you click on that, you will pull up both your clip filter panel and your audio effect. Right now we have none on each. Let's start by looking at the clip filter. So I'm going to choose this clip right here, and being selected on that clip, I can come up here and I can open up the floating clip filter window, and you can see the filters that I can apply. You have a lot of different options here, and to apply all you have to do is click it. And now that effect, the aged film look, is applied to this video. If I want to turn it off, I go back up here and I choose none, and I'm back to my original clip. Now with the audio effect, let's turn on the audio to this fireworks video. If I want to add an effect to that audio, you can see that there are a number of different effects here, and again, just hover over them to hear them. So again, you just click on the effect, it applies it, and you're good to go. If you want to turn it off, go back to your effect panel, choose none. Okay, so take a look at the clip filters, also take a look at the audio effect filters, and see if any of them would be useful for your movie. Come back for the next video, we're going to talk about color.